Hello friends, in this video lecture we will be discussing MCQs based on latest news for the month of June 2021. Okay, so MCQ number first. African Union has suspended the membership of which nation after two military coups in 9 months? So the right answer over here is option D, Mali. Okay, so in Mali there was military coups. So therefore, African Union has suspended the membership till the time civilian government is restored. Okay. MCQ number second. When was the World Environment Day observed? So June 3rd, June 4th, June 5th, or June 6th? So the right answer over here is option C. It is June 5th. So June 5th ko we celebrate World Environment Day. It is declared by UN, United Nations. So United Nations has declared the World Environment Day. And there is also called three dates are important for environment or earth. There is one more date called Earth Day. Earth Day. It is celebrated on 22nd April. So 22nd April को Earth Day celebrate होता है. It is an annual event which was firstly it was US specific, and also there is a Earth Hour. ये भी जो concept है ये अलग है. It is celebrated on the last week of March. Last week of March. Okay. So last week of March by World Wide Fund for Nature, WWF for Nature. This is the organization which has initiated the concept of Earth Hour. So Earth Hour में which is generally done on last week of March, we switch off the lights from the time of 8:30 to 9:30. एक घंटे के लिए अर्थ में we switch off the light. So it is about to spread the awareness. But the most important is June 5th, which is World Environment Day, and it is declared by UN. Okay. So this was all. Now MCQ number third. Mount Merapi erupted 4 times on June 3rd. It is the most active volcano. Okay. So it is the most active volcano of which of the following nation? So it is the most active volcano of Indonesia. So Mount Merapi. Merapi में Indonesian language में Merapi का मतलब है fire. Okay, so it is constantly erupting and very active volcano. Who among the following billionaires is planning to travel to space in July 2021? So up space maybe we can travel, and it can be a reality. So commercial service for the space travel is possible now. Okay. So the options are Mark Zuckerberg, Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, or Bill Gates. So the right answer over here is Jeff Bezos. So July 20th में इन्होंने प्लान किया है to travel to the space. So now it is possible to travel to the space. So there will be a rocket with big windows in which Jeff Bezos will can go to the space. Okay, and it is not a long journey. The journey will be of 1 hour or 1.5 hour only. इतने ही देर में वो आपको स्पेस पहुंचा के वापस भी ले आएंगे. ओके. Before this Jeff Bezos, there was a person Richard ब्रांसन. ये भी स्पेस गए थे, बट ये 88 किलोमीटर तक गए थे, और इंटरनेशनल स्टैंडर्ड के हिसाब से 100 किलोमीटर के ऊपर स्पेस है. ओके, सो ही हैज आल्सो डन इट टू बी द फर्स्ट पर्सन टू गो ऑन स्पेस ऑन अ प्राइवेट बेसिस. ओके, अपने ही प्लेन बना के उस पे जाना. ठीक है, बट since the international standard is of 100 kilometer, it is debatable that whether he went to space or not. But as far as USA standard is, it is 80 kilometer. 80 kilometer के ऊपर space start हो जाता है. So as per the USA, he went to space. Okay, because he went till 88 kilometers in his own plane. So now the technology is growing very fast, and by 2022, space tourism will become a reality. Space tourism will become a reality. MCQ number 5th. Which micro animal came back to life after being frozen for 24,000 years in Siberian permafrost? तो साइबेरियन फ्रॉस्ट में वो 24,000 साल के बाद ही दिस माइक्रो एनिमल हैज बीन रिवाइव्ड. So the right answer over here is rotifer. It is rotifer. If you see the full name, it is Didoil rotifer. Okay, so the right answer over here is rotifer. So this was all the 5 MCQs for the month of June 2021. In next video, I will be coming up with more such MCQs.